AI agents, the automation layer, moving beyond custom GPTs. If custom GPTs are the interface, AI agents are the execution engine. This is where real business value emerges, not just generating content, but actually doing work across systems. Most courses stop at prompting. That's a dead end for professionals. Businesses need systems that take action, handle workflows, and produce measurable outcomes. Let's break this down properly. What actually makes an AI agent? An AI agent is not just a smarter chatbot. It's a system with 3 core capabilities. 1. Memory. The agent can retain and reuse information across steps. This includes conversation context, stored data, customer info, preferences, external knowledge, documents, databases. Without memory, you don't have an agent, you have a one-off response generator. 2. Tools. Agents can use external systems. Examples: send emails, update a CRM, read-write Google Docs, pull data from APIs, search the web. This is where tools like Zapier and Make become critical. They act as the bridge between AI and real business infrastructure. 3. Actions agents don't just suggest, they execute. For example, instead of saying, "Here's a reply to a customer," the agent sends the email automatically. Instead of, "Here's a summary," the agent logs it into your system. This shift from passive output to active execution is the defining feature of AI agents. Multi-step workflows, where agents become valuable. Real business processes are never one step. An effective AI agent operates through workflow chains, such as, example, lead processing agent. New lead submits a form. Agent analyzes the lead quality. Agent categorizes hot, warm, cold. Agent writes a personalized response. Agent sends email. Agent logs data into CRM. Agent schedules follow-up task. That's not a prompt. That's a system. Key design principle: decompose tasks instead of handle customer onboarding. Break it into data extraction. Validation communication system updates. Each step becomes modular and more reliable. Tool usage, the backbone of automation. AI agents become powerful when they can interact with the outside world. 1. APIs, application programming interfaces. APIs allow agents to pull real-time data, push updates to systems, trigger external actions. Examples: Stripe API, check payments; HubSpot API, update leads; Notion API, store notes. Even at a basic level, understanding API logic is a major advantage. Request, process, response. 2. Browsing agents can research competitors, pull market data, summarize web content. This is especially useful for content teams, analysts, sales research workflows. 3. File handling agents can read PDFs, extract data from spreadsheets, generate reports, update documents. Example workflow: upload meeting transcript, agent summarizes, agent extracts action items, agent assigns tasks, no-code automation, fastest path to deployment. For most business users, coding is a bottleneck. That's why no-code platforms dominate early adoption, using Zapier Best for simplicity and speed. What it does well: connects thousands of apps, easy trigger, action workflows, minimal setup time. Example: trigger, new Gmail message. Action, send to AI for classification. Action, save to Google Sheets. Action, send Slack notification. This is ideal for solo professionals, small teams, fast prototyping, using MakeBest for complex workflows. What it does well: visual workflow builder, conditional logic, if, then branches, multi-step pipelines. Example: parse incoming data, route based on conditions, run multiple AI calls, update multiple systems. This is closer to true agent orchestration. Advanced layer, Python plus APIs. For professionals who want full control, this is where things scale. Why use Python? Python allows you to build custom logic, integrate directly with APIs, create reusable agent systems, handle complex data processing. Example: custom agent workflow, receive input, form, email, webhook. Process with AI model. Apply business logic, rules, scoring. Call external APIs, store results in database, trigger follow-up actions. This removes the limitations of no-code tools. When to move beyond no-code upgrade, when you need high-volume automation, custom business logic, lower operational costs, full data control, strategic insight. Agents replace workflows, not jobs. A common misconception is AI replaces employees. In reality, AI replaces repetitive workflows. Humans supervise exceptions and strategy. The real opportunity is build agents that handle 60 to 80% of routine tasks. Final takeaway, custom GPTs are the starting point, but they don't transform a business on their own. AI agents do. They connect systems, execute workflows, produce outcomes,